Welcome to this quick video on installing Longer 3D profiles into Cura 4.8. Once you've installed Cura and you try to set up a non-networked printer, you're going to find that Longer isn't a part of that. And that's okay, because we're going to fix that. To get started, first make sure that you have Cura 4.8 installed on your computer. If not, let's install it now. The most important part of this is the destination folder. This is where you're going to put the resources once you've completed installation. You'll be able to find this on your screen and in the description box for this video. Make sure that you copy this. This is the most important part. Then go ahead and complete the installation process. Uncheck the box to launch Cura and open your File Explorer. This is where we'll paste that destination folder we copied earlier. See that resources file? If you haven't downloaded the resources to folder, you can find a link to it in the description box of this video. Take that resources to folder and extract it. Go ahead and extract it to your desktop. That'll make it really easy to find. Then open the folder, copy resources, and paste it into your Cura folder. And go ahead and replace everything. You can also just click the checkbox to do that for everything, all at once. Then you're going to go ahead and open up Cura, go to Settings, Printer, Add Printer. If this is your first time opening Cura, you'll be joining us right here. And now you're going to find Longer. Click on your printer and click Add. And that's it. Happy printing!